Hello, kindred souls. Welcome to the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree for your weekly third eye chakra reading. Our card on the right is going to deal with the third eye itself, and then, on the left, and then the one on the right is from the Galactic chakra to help evolve the energy of the third eye chakra. If you would like to get a personal reading, feel free to. You can book anytime. Just go below in the description box and you'll see my website listed to get you over there to book. Okay, so let's see here what we've got coming out. I'm hearing something about magic, like it's more magic. Like if you entertain this area of your life, this third eye, you'll see the magic more. Life will become more magical instead of feeling so constrained and boxed in and well-defined. It will just open up a whole new dimension for you. I'm hearing, there's security though, like the box, what's contained there, what it looks like, how it's presenting itself. And this other aspect of yourself, if you open up to that more and more, it's like you kind of have to give up some of your self-control, as in knowing what the illusion is and believing in that illusion and operating by that illusion, to really opening up to the objectiveness of a reality that feels anything but objective. I do feel like you're going to be getting there though, and I've been speaking on this throughout the week. I feel like there's something that you're working on, and if this isn't spiritual for you, this could be anything, and it feels like this is like at the threshold that you're now going to break through. Like you've got a stronger inner vision, and you're going to kind of take something that you've perfected and secured and you know everything about now, and really create a whole, like, quantum leap, a whole new dimension with it. And really open it up. And there's a trust and a vulnerability and an acceptance that comes with this. So you're going to have to be in an energy basically of non-resistance to allow this to happen. And, it's like getting out of your comfort zone as well. But I guess, I encourage it because it feels, there's nothing wrong with, where you're at. It feels like you've really done something with this, but everything needs to grow. It needs to transform. So, this is the next step. And I think it's going to really do a lot for you. It's going to, like if it was a vehicle, it's going to take you someplace that you will enjoy being. All right, let's end there, and tomorrow we will wrap up the week with the crown chakra reading, so I hope you can join for that too. Take care.